is doing amazing, and that you had a good week so far. Now I see we're already 265 people on the call. Let's get everyone onto this call because we got some exciting things to share, guys. We got something that me personally I'm very passionate about, and among this community of 1.5 million members, you are gonna possibly see what we see and see how we are benefiting from a platform that is growing. And we're going to talk more about this right now. So I'm going to open up the chat here. I'm just closing it from time to time, just so we are focusing on the actual information and not the chat. But let me know where you guys are tuning in from. We have got almost 300 people on the call. Let's wait. It's filling up quickly, guys. While we're waiting for a few more people to jump on, post in the chat, guys, what country you're tuning in from, and what region of the world you are coming from. This is going to be nice to see where all of you are coming from. So just post it into the chat, guys, and I'll see. Some of you are sending to me private. We got India, we got Sweden, we got Nigeria on the call. Let me see what else, guys. Put it into the chat. You can send to everyone. It's open for everyone. Where you're tuning in from. We got a lot of countries. We got all continents covered here. I'm seeing people sending to me privately. And yeah, we're gonna be good, guys. Let's actually jump into it. We surpassed 300 people, so I think it's time to get this meeting started. I'm gonna start recording because we have a request from a lot of people that are not able to actually now. You can send into the chat, guys. Sorry, I was muting everyone before. So yeah, we got Austria in the call as well. Nigeria, amazing, guys. France, Cyprus, London, UK. Okay, all right, we got Nigeria, India representing, Scotland, Sweden, Brazil, Cameroon, Tanzania. Okay, guys, we got I can't even read right now, it's going too fast. Hungary, Ireland, New Zealand, amazing. Romania, Uganda. Okay, incredible, guys, incredible. I'm just gonna stop the chat again, yes, so we are focusing on the information. Got Thailand. It's crazy, guys. Okay, I'm gonna open up the chat later again. Okay, perfect. There we go. Let's get into it, guys. Let's get 400 people on the call, guys. Let's get 400 people. That would be amazing. We're almost climbing there now, but I think we're ready to get started. Let's get the recording going, and with that, we're gonna jump into the information here today.
Recording in progress.
All right, big welcome, everyone. So excited to see we got close to 400 people jumping in today, and many of you got last minute notice about this call, and still we're here. We got people from all parts of the world, so big welcome. My name is Emil. I am right now in Sweden, and for the past many years, I've been very passionate about the world of cryptocurrency for many reasons. Number one, I see huge profit potential. Number two, I see a tool to free humanity, to break free. Independence is possible with this new financial tool that has been given to the world, and I am extremely excited to see where this is going and how much the financial world is going to change. And it's all happening. We are right now in the biggest transfer of wealth, and we're going to talk about some exciting things here today. We're going to talk about a platform, a company called PLC Ultima that's been developing over the past 7 years. And over the past 7 years, what is extremely exciting here is that this company has gone in cycles. They started off and they had a bull run, meaning everyone who joined in the beginning make a lot of money. And then it came down and they start building, developing, and then the company exploded again. People made huge amounts of money. The coin went from like 10 cents to $100,000. And it's come back down, and now the company has much more people, a bigger community, more infrastructure, more technology, and it's just exciting because we have followed this company for 7 years, looked at the ups and downs, and we're seeing now there's a pattern playing out, and we are right now at a time and at a place where we are looking at this next bull run and this next explosion, and this company is getting ready for that. So it's the perfect time for you to be here, absorb this information, and learn about a way where you can benefit from all of this through a minting technology. And this is available in a limited amount of time, but you can, through your application, generate coins And through that, of course, when the company goes into the next explosion phase, you can benefit from this, as it has been done the past 7 years 2 times already. The third time is coming, guys. And this is not a sales call, it's an educational call. We're here to simply tell you why 1.5 million people from around the world has joined and see value in this platform, and how you, if it resonates with you, you can do the same. And if you believe what we believe, you're probably going to do what we do, which is sitting here and educating more people from around the world. Now, my background has been, of course, the many years of going deep into the crypto world. And as we start finding patterns and we start seeing the cycles and realizing this predictable new market is emerging, and there's a lot of money to be made if we have the right information at the right time. So we started educating people from around the world. We started traveling to many countries, holding seminars, webinars, and trainings to help more people get involved in this incredible, new industry of cryptocurrency. And 99% of people join these kind of new industries, whether it's trading or it's cryptocurrency or stock market. People lose money because most people do not know what to do, when to enter and when to exit. And that is why we do what we do, is to help the masses make money. And this platform and its CEO has the same vision. It is all built to generate wealth for that 99% who usually lose in the market. So we're going to talk about this here today. So you're going to walk away from this call with information where you can be well positioned for the next bull market. And as this company has done 2 times already, generate massive amount of wealth for people, it's about to do it again in our own prediction analysis. And you have to do your own with the information being shared. So with that, I'm just going to post this disclaimer here, because anytime we talk about crypto or anything in the financial world, it's important to understand that all decisions you do, and it's based on your own understanding and based on your own, risk and responsibility. We are here to share education and information, our point of view, and share why we are excited and why we are going all in with this project right now at this time. And you have to make your own educated decision based on what it is that you are resonating with in this market. Now, when we're looking at the world of cryptocurrency, we are, of course, looking at the world where many people are seeing this world emerging, cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, NFTs, and some understand, some doesn't understand, some made huge amounts of money and they dropped down, they lost money, and it's a jungle for many people. But to break it down, what we're experiencing right now is the biggest transfer of wealth that we have probably ever imagined happening, and it's happening right now in front of our eyes. It is the biggest shift of a financial system for thousands of years. And this shift and this new financial system, it's not many times we are experienced this. None of our previous generations have seen this kind of massive shift that is happening. And a transfer of wealth comes with, of course, people losing because they're holding on to the old system and they're moving too late, and then people winning big because they're positioning themselves where the money is moving to. And that is what we believe now is the cryptocurrency and the blockchain industry. So with, of course, 12 years of this technology being built and developed, starting with Bitcoin, there's now gone to a place where there's no longer a question if this new currency, this new system is going to be the future, but the question is when it is going to completely take over and how much of this market that you personally want to grab. Now, we're already seeing how the biggest companies, institutions, biggest countries, not the biggest countries, but many countries moving into the crypto space, investors, entrepreneurs. And this is exciting because we should look what the biggest people are doing. We should look at the biggest investors and see what they're doing, not what they're saying, but what they're doing. Because where they bet their own capital, where they've placed their own capital, that is where we want to be a part. That is where we want to be. And that is something that is exciting. BlackRock came out with a article a few days back. The biggest company in the world, being BlackRock, owns almost all companies in the world, said that tokenization is going to be the future. And we're going to talk about how this project is actually paving the way for that space as well, which is a part of the future developments. But let's look into what you can benefit of this, how this is beneficial for you, and how you can create units in the system that grows as this company keeps expanding. Now, this company is already getting a lot of attention, and we start seeing it start bubbling right now, and people start realizing that, this company is onto something. They've been working for 7 years. There's ups, downs, success, failures, but it's stronger and stronger. And each bull market in this company is getting bigger and bigger, and that is what is exciting. We already see how this project has been the most visited cryptocurrency project on CoinMarketCap, and that is among 22,000 other cryptocurrency projects. We have seen how this company become the #1 trending coin on CoinMarketCap, and according to the community on CoinMarketCap, this project is one of the most promising or bullish in crypto terms project in the world. So this is something that we should pay attention to, and there's reasons for this. And I'm going to talk about these reasons now going forward. This company has been an innovative blockchain project that was founded in Switzerland back in 2016. Now, over the past 7 years, they've been operating in the market. They have not only developed a community of 1.5 million users, but they've also developed over 11 blockchain-based projects. It's a lot of different projects that has been done. A lot of them are coming, but each in its own is disrupting many different industries. And we're going to show you soon how this all comes together. The company has 4 offices globally. Me and my business partners and many others that's on this call, we were in Dubai last week, sitting down with the CEO, getting the updates for the new year, learning about the latest developments. And I can just say that I believe this year is going to be the kind of breakthrough year for this company. And next year is going to be takeover time, according to Alex, the CEO. And it's now in the perfect time to be positioned in this company, in this platform, and in this project. Now, this is a company that is a community-driven company, and we believe that they have the greatest potential to reach the masses because of the experience, because of their strategies to grow community, and because of the products is bridging the normal world into the cryptocurrency world, making it possible for those who don't care about Bitcoin or don't care about this blockchain technology, but everyone want to save money when they are spending money. Everyone likes cashback. Everyone likes travel with discounts. Everyone likes to make money. And therefore, this company has been able to create technologies that attracts the masses. And therefore, building the biggest community, which in turn is going to result in the biggest project, biggest coin, and most profits for the people in during the downtimes of the cycles, which is right now. And with this company, we are also seeing that this community-driven side to it is exciting for us, because this community is driven by its community. And we're going to talk about later how if you like what you see, you can be a part of this, help the community expand, and you build another source of income by doing that. And this is just coming together in a harmony with where I believe humans want to come together, create great things, and drive project forwards that is actually has potential to change a lot of lives. So this was something that caught our attention, and something that made us look at this to say, hey, these guys are onto something. And specifically, the founder and CEO, Alex, who is kind of spearheading this project right now. He got multiple people working with him. We got a team of 300 blockchain experts, and he has a lot of advisors, but he's the face of it, because you need one strong individual driving a project forward. And his background is quite interesting. He was an economist, a venture capitalist, becoming a blockchain expert and seeing the opportunities in this space, become an entrepreneur. And today he is recognized as one of the top 10 most influential people in the cryptocurrency world. And because of his abilities to not only build technology, but also to be able to build community, Alex holds 2 very strong skills or capabilities, because you need big community to make good technology worth anything. You need good technology to bring good community. And if you have both, you're onto something very big. And that's what we haven't seen many times in the crypto world. Because in the crypto world, you see these geeks, you see these guys doing coding, but they don't know how to market, build culture, build community, do the right marketing for the project. And Alex has both sides. That's what makes this exciting as a CEO. As we're looking at this project. Now, that is the reason Forbes, Entrepreneurs Magazine, Business Insider, founders, etc., are covering Alex and putting him on the covers of their magazines, because it's an interesting story of a guy who never gave up and now has been creating this huge company. And he is probably one of the biggest whales in the cryptocurrency industry with his holdings and what kind of a cryptocurrency he has. And he has extreme amount of knowledge in the world of cryptocurrency. Now, what is exciting is that his vision is to create a community of 100 million individuals that are financially independent. Because he said, this world of cryptocurrency is extremely powerful if done right. And he wants to create a system to help you do it right. And he wants to create financial independence because, in his own words, people who are financially independent can care more for others. And if we want to change the world, we're going to create financial independence with a strong community, with the tools, and then we're going to have a ripple effect of positive change on the world. So with Alex, I see someone that has a huge vision, a strong mission, and the financial resources, capabilities, and focus to make it a reality. And we can already see it in the numbers, because this year, or last year, the company had a turnover of over 1.1 billion euro. It became a billion euro operation. Now, out of that 1.1 billion euro generated, over 700 million euro were actually shared to the community through direct ways and indirect ways. And this is where our opportunity comes, because now the company is ready to scale. They're focusing now to get the operations to 1 billion euro per month and expand the community to the next milestone of 10 million users. And on this next growth, you can benefit. And this is what is exciting, because when a company went from one person to a few 100,000, people made money on that pump. And then those who waited. When the company made 800,000 members, boom, exploded. People made a lot of money. Now we're down, waiting, developing. 1.5 million members. And next explosion is predicted to come soon. So we're really excited, because this 700 million euro per year is going to be 700 million euro per day that we can benefit from. And just to have a small percentage of that is probably going to change our lifestyles personally in a major way. And that is what the company is targeting now going forward. But where is this money coming from? You see, this company is one of the most extensive ecosystem in the cryptocurrency world. And not only do they have their own layer 1 blockchain, which is being completely upgraded right now. The company is upgrading the blockchain, creating one of the smartest chains in the world. They're implementing new strategies to expand into DeFi, the decentralized finance. The company have a delegated proof of stake blockchain being developed. They are going to bring security tokens to it, which is the first in the world to do it with legal backing. This company is doing it and has incredible team of developers behind the scenes. So we're in this time of transition, and we believe when this is all set, which is going to be done this year, it's going to give the company right foundations to take it all to the next level. But the company already have done a lot. They already have one of the most powerful debit cards in the world of cryptocurrency. And I have two of, this is a MasterCard debit card, crypto card, where you can load it with cryptocurrency and then you can spend it. And this is an FCA regulated cryptocurrency bank backing this, where you can put money from your bank into it or crypto into it, or spend it anywhere in the world. MasterCard is accepted. And this is over hundreds of thousands of people using this card every single day, generating profits for the company and generating opportunity for the world of cryptocurrency to spend your crypto in an easy and simple way. Now, they also have their own e-commerce platform, and just imagine Amazon on the blockchain with all the benefits the blockchain technology comes with. They have the Platin Hero crowdfunding platform, where they're gonna go into charity and disrupt the world of charity. Imagine you being able to give to a charity and have the chance to win an iPhone, win a laptop, win a car, win a travel trip. And it's gonna be exciting to give. But imagine you giving, have a chance to also win, and you receive your money back. How in the world is that possible? It's possible through staking opportunities, etc., which is going to be the underlying technology for this crowdfunding platform that is done already. Is going to be rolled out this year. The company is developing their own cryptocurrency exchange, going in and competing in that industry. The company has a travel engine already developed. They were showing it live only a few months back on the Dubai event, where a travel platform where you can save up to 90% on travel. And how is that possible? Booking.com, hotels.com, which is owned by the same company, they get, of course, wholesale pricing for travel, hotels, flights, and they mark it up to make the difference in profit. That's how business works in the travel industry. Now, this platform is going to be different because this platform is giving you the travel at wholesale pricing. You don't need to pay that extra, meaning you can save up to 90%. And it's all done with the power of the blockchain. And this is going to be rolled out now in a few months. And this is going to completely disrupt the world of travel. They got cashback programs. We can spend money on properties, cars, other items, and receiving 100% cashback. And this is something that is a part of this ecosystem. And there's much more coming. They're moving into gaming. They're upgrading the blockchain, DeFi, securities. A lot of things is going to come. And this is just to show you a little bit of what it is that you're involving yourself with if you decide to be a part of this community. Now, the most exciting thing for you here right now is that the time we're in right now is that we are in a down cycle waiting for the up again for the third time. The company is probably going to do it now bigger and stronger. And how we benefit from this system is through their own minting technology. And this is simplified to make the masses been able to earn money. Now, how does it work? Now, this PLCUX minting technology is simply producing new coins into your smartphone every single month. Right now, the production speed of these coins is very high, so you can increase your units of success in this infrastructure very fast. But keep in mind that the time limit of you getting into this is, meaning this is going to be available for this group of people coming in right now. And later on, they're going to, of course, close this. And then we see the explosion of the profit, and then they move into the next wave. So the company had two waves already. People came in, minted coins, coin went up, profits. Coin came down, work on ecosystem. People came in, minted new coin, coin went up, came back down, ecosystem growing. Now it's going to go again, in our opinion. We don't know if it's going to be next month or next year. For me, it doesn't matter, but it's going to come based on history of this company. So what do we want to do right now? Get as many units as we can, because when this happens, you're going to be in a good space. So let's talk about how it works. Now, how do you acquire these PLCX coins, which it is that's going to give you the biggest benefit here? You acquire them on exchanges, and you can get guidance on the person invited you how to do it. Then you buy a license key, which is giving you the opportunity to freeze these coins for 12 months. So because you take them off the market and freeze them, this generates a smart contract that start producing new PLCUX coins into your wallet. Right now, it's producing over 50%. Number is going to rapidly decrease going forward. That's why the opportunity is very big right now. And as you're producing coins, of course, over time, you're going to have the chance to sell into strong liquidity as the company develops and as this ecosystem grows. But as, of course, responsible adults, we all have to look at the risk and rewards. And as we're educating people, we always make people see both sides, because it's important to understand that for you to get the biggest reward, you get to take on some risk. But you need to understand them, and you need to make decisions based on this understanding. Now, when we look at this project, we see that the risk-reward ratio is extremely good for the masses. The reason we say this is because the company has recognized that the big majority of people lose money in the cryptocurrency space because of the price movements of the coins. Because most people buy too late, sell too early, or sell too late. There's never a good timing, which means that people buy at the top and sell at the bottom over and over and over again. So Alex removed the risk of volatility and introduced a stabilized coin that is stable at $100,000. And of course, this gives you greater chances of creating big profits, because here the seller has the power, not the buyer, because the buyer want to get it at a lower price. You can push the price down and you would lose as a seller that doesn't have financial education. Here, the coins are stabilized, so you are in the power, meaning you can sell into strength. When there's high liquidity, when the company is growing, it's going to be faster and faster selling these coins at a set value of $100,000 per coin. And this is very exciting because you get coins every single month and you can compound this, build more units. Sometimes there's high liquidity, sometimes low liquidity, sometimes you can sell straight away, sometimes you gotta wait 3 weeks. It doesn't matter because this company is developing, and after the 2 years of you minting these coins, or you are be able to take these coins and it's automatically converted into the big infrastructure coin of this company, which is going to have liquidity coming from the whole ecosystem. So it's a long-term plan. You can get in, produce these coins right now, see the company grow, sell them at a set price, and I believe this is the perfect solution for the people that is not extremely knowledgeable in trading. And this is a way to help the masses profit from the crypto market, removing stress, removing worry. You know you're going to get that price, just wait for it. And that is what's exciting here. Now, if you want to get started with this, it's very easy. It's made to be simple, but it's not going to be, of course, something new. So you got to learn a few steps, but you got the guidance from the people who invited you to learn these steps. But all you need is a smartphone and 2 applications. Now you got the infrastructure to start doing this, producing new coins every single month. Then you would need to buy a license. This is giving you the opportunity to freeze the coins and generate more coins, which gives you a higher chance of profit. Now, the licenses ranges from 110 euro to 550,000 euro. And depending where you come in, you get a different max load. Max load simply means is the maximum amount of coins you can load and freeze. So the more max load you have, the bigger license you get, the more PLCX coins you can freeze and therefore produce. So this is up to you where you want to come in. But right now, the company has a promotion where from the basic package and bigger, they are giving a free PLC debit card. And this is a card valued at 1,100 euro if you would buy it outside of these packages. So you get a free debit card, a debit card that you can use to load your profit into, load cryptocurrency into, spend anywhere in the world where MasterCard is accepted. And many of you saw Africa, India, Asia, many countries white asking, but Emil, there's no crypto cards available in our countries. You know, Binance is not in our country. Crypto.com is not our country. But good news, ladies and gentlemen, this company sends these cards to over 120 countries. So it's the most wide range of countries available to receive this card. We got people all over Africa, all in Asia, all of Latin America. This card is the only card in the crypto space able to send to markets. And this is quite exciting. So getting a basic package and bigger, you get opportunity to freeze coins, generate coins, profit as the company grows, get a debit card so you can easily spend your profits every single day. And when we are now looking at taking the next steps, if it resonates and like ask yourself, I'm not here to give you an opinion. I'm here to share my analysis. Ask, do you think this is exciting? Do you see some value here? You know, Alex, 7 years in the market, never giving up. Thousands of companies failed over and over and over again. He's still here, still working. Are you excited to see that the company has produced 2 bull markets internally where people made money? Everyone who followed Alex for the past 7 years have made money. Now that is cool. I don't see other project being able to say that. And now we are ready to get to the next one. Now we are gathering the people who's going to profit from the next one. And that is why we are now running this webinar so frequently to help more people be a part of the next wave, which we believe is going to be bigger. Now, if this is resonating with you and you see the value here, I'm inviting you to register your account for free. Then you would need to buy a PLCX minting license on ultimafarm.com to start producing your units, your coins, which grows as the company starts growing. And then, of course, you download your applications, top up the minter, start your smart contracts, and you're ready. And now you're part of the ecosystem. You're part of the community. And this is your way to get started in the crypto world with what we believe the highest profit potential and the lowest risk according to us. Now, this is not only exciting for you to produce coins, but what is exciting is that you're opening up a world of opportunities when you're coming in here, because when you get your license, you're opening up, to be a part of all these other things, such as the cashback program. You can get the debit card and have your own banking solution. You have a travel portal to travel with up to 90% savings because you're a member of the system. You get free financial education. We are running webinars on for free. People are charging thousands and thousands of dollars for education that we give for free. We sit every single day and read the markets, read the graphs, merge ourselves into this, and we share this information for free. And we're going to do much more of it going forward this year, so you can get this free education, which helps you to benefit not only from this company, but from all the different coins that we see has potential in the cryptocurrency world, and create generational wealth in this bull market that is coming. For those who want to take a more active approach and help us build the community, which is in turn helping your assets grow, this is what we are doing. Then there is also an affiliate program connected to it where you can build a lot of wealth by sharing this with others, helping others see this. And I can tell you guys, 9 out of 10 people who deep dive into this, they come in and they participate. That last person probably didn't understand the language of the person explaining it, because if they did, it would probably be in anyway. So it's incredible to build a business with this as well, because you have something that people need, want, and something that really can generate some value for people. And with affiliate program that is very lucrative, you can build yourself a secondary income that helps you have more purchasing power in the bull market, in the crypto world. And it's the perfect timing to have passive income coming in from the minting, active income coming in from the affiliate program. And through this, you can get the right leadership coaching for you to get started and build your online business, secondary income, and complete freedom is possible for everyone who takes action. And you can learn more about this by going back to the person who invited you and ask them about their story, ask them why they are part of this, and you're probably going to be inspired by what they're sharing. But all in all, what you're coming into here is a community of like-minded people, a community of driven individuals who want to create change, who want to grow ourselves, who want to help others, who wants to profit and make money. Let's be real, guys, from the cryptocurrency market. And it's easier to do it together. That's why we invite you to come in. Let's do this together. Let's learn together. Let's grow together. Let's profit together. And let's make this an incredible few years ahead of us. So with that, we invite you to go back to the person who invited you, to learn more, to get started and get into the system, because after that, a world of opportunities is going to open for you. Now, many of you might ask, where do I get the information about the next webinars? We're running webinars every single day, guys. We're here doing trainings, presentations. We're doing onboarding training. There's a lot of training here. I had a call yesterday with 4,000 people, and you can see that the momentum is here and it's about to take off. That's why you should go back to the person invited you right now to get the information. Now, if you want to join our Telegram group, then we will send it here right now. We have a Telegram group. Oh, I'm gonna jump past this first. We have a Telegram group which gives you access to all our trainings, all our information, all the company updates, all the webinars, physical events. Everything is going to be available in our Telegram group. So you have the link in the chat. Take a screenshot. The link is on the picture. If you are English speaking, you click the top link when you click there, because you're going to get a few options. Click the top one. It's our main group. If there's people who do not understand English, we got translation below into 40 languages. So come into the family, join the community, and let's profit this coming crypto market in a major way. And we also have an event in Dubai, 4th of March, where there's going to be thousands of people from around the world coming. Alex, CEO, his corporate team, the developers going to be there announcing the next push into the new year. So guys, I am excited. If you're excited, go back to the person who invited you, and we'll see you guys on the next webinar. I'm going to check the chat a little bit here to see if there's any questions, but for the people only here live, will I give you this time and these questions. For everyone listening to the recording, make sure you join live next time. And with that, I say bye-bye to people recording, and I'll start now going to the Q&A.
Recording stopped.
All right, guys. Let's see. Any questions? I'm just gonna take 1 or 2 minutes for questions because we have had a lot of update calls. How much time to receive the card? It depends. Took me 1 week, so depends on where you're at. I'm not gonna answer questions that has already been answered in many calls, guys. Presentation slides will be shared in our group, so join the Telegram group, guys, and you will get the information. Let me see. How will create demand for PLSX after the PLSX farming stop? After the PLSX farming is stopped, all the PLSX coin is converted to PLCU. What generates demand for PLCU? Travel, exchange, debit card, the network marketing side, everything is generating demand for that coin. So now it's PLSX and it converts later. So there is a long-term plan. It's an exit for everyone. All right. So when it kind of means and get my money, you can mint your coin right away, and you can of course cash out on exchanges. And sometimes it's gonna take 1 day to sell, sometimes take 7 days, sometimes 3 weeks. Why is that? Because we remove the risk of volatility and we increase the risk of liquidity. But with a 7-year company growing ecosystem, it's gotta have patience. The price you pay to get sell orders at $100,000 is patience. And if you don't have patience to profit, then this is not the market for you. Do not join if you don't have patience. If you want to make big money, you need patience. You cannot make money in Bitcoin right now. It's down. You wait. When it explodes, the people with patience make money. Stock market. You buy a stock. You can't expect miracles next week. You wait for the cycle for your turn to profit. Okay? Very powerful. So, all right, guys. Perfect. Thank you. Many thank you here. So yeah, we're gonna do more training. We have a lot of trainings, guys. A lot of these questions have already been covered on many of our trainings. So I'm gonna teach everyone a lesson here. Join the training, listen to recordings, then you get all the answers. So otherwise, I'm sitting here and repeating things. And we are excited to move forward. So there's recordings for everything. Join a group, and this is gonna give you an opportunity to learn everything. Everyone who is part of this for long enough have profited in the past. Let's see what it does in the future. But we are very excited that with patience, we will all make some incredible profits in this ecosystem. Join our group, guys. Join our Telegram group. We share the presentation. We share the information. We share everything there. So with that, guys, we love you all. I hope to see you guys on the next webinar. Take care, and let's win this bull market.